Okay guys, we have a Harbor Freight unboxing. We have a 18-inch magnetic holder, and we have a bunch of these. Another 18-inch magnetic holder. And another 18-inch magnetic holder. We have a 70 lumen LED magnetic headlamp. We have a 3-piece Warrior hex shank socket driver set, 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2. We have a Warrior titanium index drill bit set. We have a Pittsburgh 3-piece socket rail set, 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. We have a Pittsburgh 8-inch 4-way wire crimper stripper tool, crimper, wire stripper, wire cutter, and bolt cutter. We have a Harbor Freight magnetic LED lamp. These are really cool. They have a little headlight, or they have a work light. You can see it's pretty bright. It also has a magnet on the back, magnetic holder, and if you don't want to use that or you need something different, you also have a little hook built in. And we got a couple more of these. Got a Pittsburgh 25-foot by 1-inch quick find tape measure. Got a couple of these as well. Got a Portland saw wallboard or drywall saw. Got a Pittsburgh 4-inch magnetic parts holder. Got a Pittsburgh 6-inch magnetic parts holder. Got a Warrior 10-pack of 4.5-inch cutoff wheels. Got a Warrior 58-piece drill and driver bit set. Got Pittsburgh 8-inch lineman's pliers. And a set of 8-inch needle nose pliers. Got a Warrior 4.5-inch angle switch, slide switch angle grinder. got a Franklin one-step folding stool, 300-pound capacity. And got a set of Pittsburgh 6-inch diagonal cutters. Since my little work area is full here, this is the end of part 1.